Okay, first thing I did was I measured the distance from the ceiling on the wall on that side, and then I put a screw, and then I ran a line all across to the other side, and I've marked little marks along the line so that I get a straight line. Okay, so I've finished drawing the line of where the pelmet's going to go, and now I'm using this super magnet to find the steel batten that holds up the ceiling. As you can see here, it's holding itself up because there's a batten here, and I know there are battens going that way. And in Australia, they put the battens in every 450 mils. So there's another one there. So I'm going to go all the way across and mark out all the battens. Okay, so I've used the line as a guide to screw in my L brackets all the way along. So there's the L bracket. Okay, so I've put the timber on now, and so there's some gaps there that I will use gap filler to make it look nice and smooth. And this is the back. Here it shows the screws that I've put in to hold the timber up. So the gap filler has dried overnight, and I will be painting the pelmet the same color as the ceiling.